This is delicious abacha. Hey, delicious abacha ever. Just try it. Try and test. Try and watch. Watch and try it. Try to repeat what I did. You will thank me later. Okay? Yes, you're gonna thank me later. This is special abacha. Special. When I mean special, I mean special. Okay? Yes. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Just smash the red button to subscribe to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, make it go viral. Okay? Yes, African Lioness TV, your special channel. Just stay tuned, continue watching, you're gonna enjoy it. Okay? Yes, so you go and buy your own raw abacha and practice and try what I did. Repeat it, you will thank me later. Okay? Yes, keep on watching, guys. Keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is African Lioness TV. If you are new in this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming to watch my video. Yes, in this video I am going to teach you guys how to make abacha, our native abacha. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to prepare simple abacha today. So keep watching, guys. Stay tuned. Hit the red button to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, make the video go viral. African Lioness TV. Keep watching, guys. Keep watching. They peel cassava, cook it, then slice it into pieces like this, then sun it, put it on the sun to dry. This way, the way you are looking at it, it was sun and it's dry. You can see that it's dry. They put it under the sun and so that it can be preserved. Yes, so but today I'm going to use this dried abacha, this cassava. I'm going to use it to prepare our native abacha. We call it abacha in our language. Okay? Yes, so this is the major ingredient, abacha itself. Then you have oil, then we have normally I supposed to use akwukwo angara, but in this place where I'm staying, in this part of the world right now, I don't have akwukwo angara, so I will use what is next to it. So I'm going to use this baby spinach for my veggie. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to use this pepper, then I'm going to also add my onion. I'm going to use this ogiri. This is ogiri, yeah, ogiri, and then I'm going to use this crayfish. Then also this is castor seed, this is sopaka. Okay, so yeah, if you are an Igbo person, you know what is sopaka. Yeah, ubakala. Some people call it ubakala, some call it upaka. Yeah, so it's dry also, so that it can stay long. I just brought it out of the fridge. Yeah, so another important thing in abacha is angara. So this is the angara I'm going to use to prepare this abacha, this delicious abacha. Yes, so then salt to taste. Then salt to taste. Yeah, these are the ingredients I'm going to use to make this simple abacha. So you guys stay tuned and watch me as I'm going to prepare this delicious abacha for the family this afternoon. So keep watching, guys. Stay tuned and learn. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. So in this case, first thing I have to do is to soak the abacha. Some people soak with hot water, some soak it with cold water. Like me, I like soaking my abacha with cold water, just ordinary room temperature. Okay, yes, I'm gonna grab the quantity I want to cook this afternoon. I'm gonna grab the quantity of abacha I want to make now. Yeah, this is the one I want to make now. Yeah. So I'm going to soak it with cold water. Yeah, going to put cold water to soak the abacha while I get my ingredients ready. Before my ingredients will be ready, it will be softened. So I don't like yeah, that's enough. I don't like soaking my abacha with hot water because it makes it so soft. Yeah, so it may not get the kind of quality that I always like. So I like soaking mine with room temperature. Okay, but you can also do cook your abacha or prepare your abacha by soaking it with hot water. For me, mine is room temperature. Okay, yeah, whichever one that works for you, that's fine with you. So next thing to do is to wash it and bring it out of the water so that it will not be so soft. So you have to wash it. Make sure you get rid of all the sand in the abacha. Delicious abacha. Wow. This is it. After washing it, this is the abacha itself sitting on our plate. So we are now going to prepare it. So then this is meat, dried meat. I'm going to use this dried meat. I don't have fish, so this dry meat have been on the freezer. So yeah, I'm going to take some of it to prepare the meal. So keep watching, guys. Watching. This is special delicacy, special food, special delicious food. Okay, keep watching. Special village food. You will like it. Okay, have you like it? Thumbs up. Put your thumbs up. Hit the like button, guys. And if you are new in the channel, smash the red button to subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video. Make it go viral. Okay, support your girl to reach her goal. Thank you for staying tuned. So let's go. So now, next thing is to set my pot. Set my I normally like using frying pan. Yes, so set my frying pan on the fire. Then before that, I have to prepare the pepper. Yeah, let's get the ingredients ready. Found my I have to carry my chair. Sit down and then found my pepper. This is how we do it. I'm going to add this mushroom to my abacha. I need to slice it. Yeah. This is special abacha. Add it to make it more delicious. So I'm going to wash it now. Okay, let's start. Let us start. Yeah. Do turn on your stove on and you put your. I like using frying pan. Make sure that your pot is dry. It's dry, then put your red oil. Put it on a medium heat. Medium heat. I don't like using too much of oil. So I have to take a little. It's dry, so just take a little oil. Just little. Don't like taking too much. Don't like using too much oil. Red oil. It's too hot. So on low heat, you put your onion. Some part of the onion. Put your crayfish. Keep frying. your pepper. This is the habanero pepper. Keep stirring it. I have to put my abacha. Put a little salt to taste. Then you keep stirring. You keep stirring the abacha. Keep stirring. Then this is Ugba and the mushroom. Special abacha. Can taste it and check for salt. Keep stirring. Then I have to add my Ugba. This is the Ugba castor seed. You have to add the Ugba now. Add your Ugba. Then I have to add the dry meat. The dry meat. This is the dry meat. This is the dry meat. And the dry meat. So you keep stirring. Stirring. Delicious abacha. Delicious abacha, abacha. It's in low heat. You want to put it in low heat right now. Looking so yummy right away already. You have to add the garden egg, the onion, and the rest of the onion. my veggie. Put your veggie. And it's done. Taste for salt. Let me check. Let me taste for salt. It's good. If the salt is not enough, you can add more salt, but this is good. Yeah. Delicious abacha. Okay. It's time to serve it. Delicious abacha. Have you liked it? Have you? Have you liked it? This is our delicious abacha. Delicious abacha. Have you liked it? Have you liked it? This is our delicious abacha. So delicious, so yummy, so delicious. This is it. Enjoy yourself. So we have to try it and see how it tastes. Correct abacha. Hang on now. Ugba, Abacha. So delicious. Try it and thank me later. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye bye. See you soon.